They put me in charge of the sweet endings today. That's right. Because I have Creamery vanilla ice cream. And I'm going to do a sundae. I'm going to do a blueberry vanilla ice cream sundae. Blueberry and vanilla ice cream, two of my favorite things, come together. Perfect dessert in my mind. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, before I get into all the ice cream goodness, I have frozen blueberries. Frozen blueberries, you can get frozen fruit all over the place now. And it's so versatile, so good to use. It's good for smoothies, all sorts of different things. There are strawberries, blueberries, there are mixed packs, all sorts of wonderful things. But frozen out of the fridge, out of the freezer, and I pour it straight into a pan. Get it out in that pan there. What I'm going to do is make a very simple blueberry syrup, and you can do this with any frozen fruit, any fruit you like. I just like blueberries. Strawberries, sometimes a little too tart for me. I would eat it, but I love blueberries. So I'm going blueberries. This one is for me. Blueberries, and I'm going to add some sugar. Just about half cup of sugar. I have some orange juice. That orange juice is really just to kind of give it a little citrus. You can get some lemon, some lime. I just thought the orange would go really good with the blueberries. Just that little extra citrus. This is zest. So it's a little orange zest. When you're using citrus and you really want that little citrus kick, a little bit of zest really kind of takes it up a notch. And cornstarch in water. Teaspoon of cornstarch, teaspoon of water, equal parts, mix, and this will kind of help it nicely, thicken up nicely when it all comes together. And that, guys, I add a half cup of water. Mix that in, bring to a boil, and just allow to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. It will kind of just come together, thicken up a lot. The blueberries will mash down, and you'll get a nice syrupy type of finish, right? 3 to 5 minutes, guys. So, guys, this is what, look at the blueberry action. So you see everything kind of come together, that kind of syrupy kind of finish. That's what you want. And this is going to be a wonderful blueberry syrup that's going to go with my vanilla ice cream. So let me get my vanilla ice cream out of the freezer now. Hold on. So Creamery vanilla is literally the perfect ice cream to do this sundae with, because it will bounce off so nicely off of the strong blueberry syrup. I have some pecans that I roasted, guys. These pecans will give a little nice crunch with the blueberries, and then we'll top it off with a cherry. So I'm starting with just a little bit of my blueberry syrup at the base, and then topping some vanilla ice cream, more blueberry syrup, just drizzle it all around, and then I want some nuts. So there's a little crunch in there. Important to toast the nuts as well, guys. It really gives the nuts so much more flavor. And then once again, another layer of your blueberry syrup. Some nuts. Yeah. And I just want to finish that off. And I just want to top it off